Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect CJ dropshipping to AliExpress. So first, you cannot directly connect CJ dropshipping to AliExpress, but there are ways. There are two separate suppliers and they don't sync with each other. So CJ dropshipping its own platform, products and fulfillment, and the AliExpress different suppliers and different system. So there's no official feature where you can link the two together, but you can import a product from AliExpress into CJ dropshipping. So CJ can source and fulfill it for you. So to do that, just have to copy the AliExpress product link. So we just have to go to AliExpress and then copy the product that we can find here or the name of the product. Okay, so on CJ, what we're going to do is to go to the sourcing section. All right, so you just have to scroll down right here and find the sourcing option. So tap on the sourcing. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. So right here you have the post sourcing request. So we are going to select this one. Right here we have to select the individual product. So here we are going to put here the product title. So we have this one. So copy and then paste it right here. Next is the product image. So we can upload up to 6 images in the format using this. All right. So for example, we want this image. So all you have to do is to tap on it. All right. And then you just have to save this image. So you can save this as. So you just wait for a couple of seconds and then you'll be able to download this image. Okay, so let me just save this one. Then after that, just go back here. All right, and then I just have to upload the image and then your target price, sourcing URL, and then the sourcing purpose. Okay, so you just have to choose your reasons right here. And then you just have to provide all of the information. And then you have to take note that CJ usually takes 24 to 48 hours to process. So they will find the same product or something similar. Then after the sourcing is successful, the product will appear in your My Product section. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.